Hello YouTube, this is Chem for Life again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make exploding Nerf darts. What you're going to need is a powerful Nerf blaster, or gun, whatever you want to call it. These can be modded to increase your accuracy, range, firepower, FPS, whatever you want to do with it. Anyway, you want to have Nerf darts. It doesn't matter which kind, but it has to be the ones that you can put in a clip. These work with mega darts too. So yeah, you're gonna need some not party poppers, Snap-its. You might have some of these left over from the 4th of July. Some scissors, pretty sharp ones, and tape. It doesn't really matter which kind of tape, but I prefer Scotch tape. So let's get started. So what you need to do first is take your Nerf dart and the scissors, and you want to cut the tip off the Nerf dart. And then kind of cut the edges just a little bit. Just so you can make it somewhat smooth. Well, not really smooth, but flatter, I guess. Then you want to take your Snap-it, and this little string here coming out of here, you want to cut just a little bit of that off. Not too much so that it'll fall apart, but just enough. So, just like that. Then, what you want to do is you want to attach this onto your Nerf dart, like so, and just put that on there. Then take a small piece of Scotch tape, or whatever kind of tape you're using, and tape it onto it. Now, these do not blow up the Nerf dart. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where it blows up the dart and you can't use the dart anymore, and I find that kind of a pain. But these do not blow up the dart. So it's a multi-use dart. You just need more Scotch tape, or whatever kind of tape you're using, and more Snap-its. Now, let's try a firing test. So, just listen for the pop when I hit the wall, or when the dart hits the wall. So, if you didn't hit that, you're either deaf or my computer isn't that great. And let's try this one more time. And there you have it, the exploding Nerf darts by Chem for Life. Bye.